Welcome to Moneyfied Hub, where we help you make smart financial decisions. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for Nigerians: how to invest in dollar assets, even if you're just starting out. Every year, inflation takes a big bite out of our savings. Unless we take action to protect our money in stronger currencies like the US dollar. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing in dollar assets from Nigeria. Don't worry, we'll keep it safe, legal, and accessible, even if you're working with a small budget. So let's dive in and secure your financial future. Now let's talk about why dollar assets matter so much. The harsh reality is that the Naira has lost over 70% of its value in just a few short years. It's a staggering decline that affects all of us. But the US dollar, it's a different story. The dollar remains stable, globally accepted, and tied to some of the world's strongest economies. By investing in dollar assets, you're not just protecting your wealth, you're opening doors to incredible opportunities. Here's what dollar investments can do for you. First, they help you beat inflation. While Naira in your savings account loses purchasing power, dollar investments can grow and maintain their value. Second, you're safeguarding your hard-earned money. Think of it as building a financial fortress around your savings. And third, you gain access to global opportunities. The world's biggest companies and most innovative startups, you can own a piece of them through dollar investments. So what exactly can you invest in when it comes to dollar assets? Let's break it down. US stocks and ETFs are a popular choice. Imagine owning shares in tech giants like Apple, X, Google, or Facebook, or getting exposure to the entire S&P 500 index. These investments let you participate in the growth of the world's largest economy. Next up, we have dollar savings and fixed income options. This includes things like Eurobonds and dollar mutual funds. These are great for more conservative investors looking for steady, reliable returns. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are another exciting option. They allow you to earn income from property investments without the hassle of buying and managing buildings yourself. It's a smart way to diversify your portfolio. For those comfortable with a bit more risk, there are crypto stablecoins like USDT or USDC. These digital currencies are designed to maintain a stable value pegged to the US dollar. But remember, always approach crypto investments with caution and do your research. Now that you know what you can invest in, let's talk about how to do it from Nigeria. Thankfully, there are several trusted platforms that make dollar investing accessible to Nigerians. Risevest is a popular choice, offering dollar portfolios, real estate investments, and Eurobonds. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Bamboo is another great option, focusing on US stocks and ETFs. If you've ever wanted to invest in American companies, this platform makes it simple. Trove offers a wide range of options, including stocks, bonds, and REITs. It's a versatile platform for those who want variety in their investment portfolio. For those interested in dollar savings and stablecoins, apps like Chipper Cash, Bybit, and Binance provide easy access to these options. The best part, many of these platforms let you start with as little as $10. So you don't need a fortune to begin building your dollar-based portfolio. Before you jump in and start investing, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First and foremost, always use regulated apps. This helps protect your investments and ensures you're operating within the law. Start small and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to manage risk. Understand currency risk. The exchange rate between Naira and dollars can fluctuate, affecting your returns. Always check the current rates before making investment decisions. Have clear goals. Are you saving for the short term, looking to grow your wealth over time, or primarily focused on protecting your money from inflation? Your goals will guide your investment strategy. Remember, investing in dollars is one of the smartest ways to protect your money from Naira inflation. Even if you're just getting started, it's a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. Want more beginner-friendly finance tips? Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and follow Moneyfied Hub. We're here to help you make smart money moves and secure your financial future. In our next video, we'll be diving into the best savings methods for Nigerians, so make sure you don't miss it. We'll also be covering how to budget effectively on a low income. Essential knowledge for anyone looking to make the most of their money. Thank you for watching, and remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with small, smart steps. See you in the next video.